welcome back to my channel. So I have another Geek gear unboxing video for you today. So this is their new potions box, like brand new, just got it today, like hot off the press, brand new. Oh, I'm holding it upside down, oh dipshit. This is their potions box. Oh, I'm such an idiot. This is their potions box. First things first, it came with another custom wand. But it didn't come with like a little card. Like if you saw my last, it might not have been my last video, but whenever I did my creatures unboxing video, it came with another wand. And it came with like a little card that said stuff about it, but I mean, like, this is really cool. This low-key gives me Minerva McGonagall vibes though, because I feel like she's such a queen and she'd have a wand like this because it's sick. But yeah, this is what it looks like. It's got this little like crystal thingy. I guess it's meant to be like a potions box. It's kind of heavy like towards the end, but yeah, that's that. Okay, now for the box. Okay, so first thing first, it's a t-shirt. I like literally have no idea what's going to be in it. Like, at least with some of the past boxes, like I've seen maybe some pictures, so like I knew, but obviously because it's brand new, like all we've had is hints. This is unicorn blood, warning, consumption may result in a cursed life. Oh, see, because there was, one of the clues was to do with unicorn blood, but I don't think it'd be on a t-shirt. I don't know why, my mind went to like, it would be like a little vial of like unicorn blood. What in the Vampire Diaries is going on in my brain? Ooh, okay, it's something to do with Barista Serum. So that's fun. It says apothecary department, like on the top here. I want to open it without ripping the box because the box is cute. There we go. What is it? Oh, it's coasters! Dude! That's sick. Oh, okay. Oh, so there's many potions. It says the truth will set you free. It says truth serum. It, like, not to be that person, but it should say Barista Serum, but whatever, it's fine. And then Draft of the Living Dead. Draft of the Living Death. A slumber like death, and it's got like skulls and shit on it. Oh, fed up of lack of luck, and then it's got Felix Celestius. Don't fear the full moon and Wolfsbane potion. That's a sick bottle. Okay, those are kind of cool. To this dried boom slang skin, pre-dried for ease of use, approachment dissolving. I really hope this is just like the Grindelow scales and it's just like an empty bottle, because if this is like a literal like snake skin looking stuff, I might cry. I don't like snakes. Okay, no, I think it is just a bottle. Oh, dude. It's just an empty bottle. Oh, but it's glass. Oh, it's glass. It's literally just an empty bottle with a fancy lid that says dried boom slang skin, dried boom slang scales on it. I mean, that was a bit of a letdown. I don't know, I feel like I just expected more, I guess. Because this was another one of the hints. It said boom slang skin, and I was like, dude, I need to get that. I'm a little bit let down by that, to be honest. Like it's, I don't know. I think just because it's clear as well, like with the Grindelow scales one from the Creatures box, I shouldn't have thrown that, that's glass. But with the Grindelow thing, it's not clear, so you can kind of, oh, this is heavy. But like, yeah, you can kind of pretend a bit better that like there's actually something in there. But with that, just because it's clear. Is this a cauldron? Is this a mini cauldron? It better be. It is a mini cauldron and you put it on this. That's why it's heavy. I kind of hoped it would come with a cauldron, I'm not gonna lie. Ta-da! Wait, cauldron. Is this a poster? This is, hold on, this is what's in there. Okay, yeah, so this is the print. And it's meant to be, you know, in Half-Blood Prince, the potions book that Harry gets. So it's a print of that. Why is it rolled up? I feel like all the other ones have been like set out. Oh, it's kind of big. I get that. Okay. Potions, pencils. Like it's literally just pencil. Please tell me at least said stuff on it. Okay, they do say stuff. They're not colouring pencils though, unfortunately. They're just normal pencils. So this one says immortality. You're not going to be able to see them. I'm not going to bother showing you. This one says luck. This one's probably amorita or something. Love, yeah. Truth. Unicorn blood. And wolfsbane. So at least they say stuff on them. School Apothecary redemption token. All token uses a log. Better find another way to make mischief. Grant the bearer 1 tincture. What's a tincture? What? What's a tincture? Grants the bearer 1 tincture of vial of ingredients from the School Apothecary. Okay, so I feel like if you like needed ingredients for potions, you'd like go to Snape and be like, "Wait, dude, give me some lacewing flies." In a fountain. I mean, I'm looking a little disappointed. Like, I was quite excited. Like, it's okay, but like, this you can literally get from like HMV or like, I don't know, literally Amazon or something. You could get this. So I'm a little bit disappointed about that because I want it to be something more unique. Like with the creatures box, the print that was in there, very unique. I haven't seen that before. And I mean, this also says it's a Geek Gear licensed exclusive, but like, it's just not hun. Because I could get that off Amazon. Like, do you know what I mean? I don't mean to like, I don't want to shit on it, because like I do enjoy the majority of stuff that I get from Geek Gear, but just stuff like this, like, I feel like this is a bit of a letdown for the print. Like, I feel like it could have been something really cool to do with like potions and like smoke and like, do you know what I mean? Like something really sick, you know, and it's just not. It's just the front cover of Advanced Potion Making. And also the pencil, these seem so random, and it's like, I feel like it's sort of like, we need a little thing to throw in so that we have enough items. I know, let's get pencils and print like wolfsbane on them. Like, I feel like these are very much I could do without. Like, could have replaced it with something better. The cauldron I like. The shirt I kind of like. The wand I like. Oh wait, hold on. It actually says something about the wand here. The hilt of this wand has liquid in it. It's made of glass. Why is it warm to the touch? So it's called the Filtre wand. Philtre. Filtre wand. Which is cool. The redemption token, like, this is kind of cool. This is like something a little like quirky and cool, but like this is the kind of thing I expect from Geek Gear. The same with the wand, but like this and this, like, come on, bro. Like, really, you know? I mean, everything else is pretty cool, but yeah, I'm also a little bit let down by the Boomslang skin. I understand that they can't like give you like a literal thing that looks like snakeskin because that would be gross and people wouldn't like it. But like, just because it like it's a clear bottle, so I'm a bit like, what do I put in it? You know? And like the stopper and bit up top is cool, Or like what am I meant to put in it? Like it's just gonna be a clear bottle. That's gonna look naff. But with the Grindlow scales, like at least you can kind of pretend like that's kind of cool. I would have preferred something like that maybe than to what we got on, like the top of it being like a snake or something. I would have preferred that to what we got. But everything else is pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know, I just do feel a little bit let down by some of the items in here. These two in particular. I'm very offended by these two. I know I haven't even opened this yet because I don't want to, because I'll never be able to roll it back into this teeny tiny little thing. But we all know what it's going to look like. You know? Like, we all know what it looks like. I am just a little bit, like, these two things offend me greatly. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Let me know what you think about the items in the comments. Like, are you as offended by these as I am? Like, do you also expect better? Like, very angry about these. But yeah, let me know your opinions in the comments.